In the previous video, we have learned about chemical equations, what is a chemical equations and what happens when a chemical equation takes place, and also we have discussed how to balance a chemical equation and how can we make a chemical equation more informative. Yes, in today's class we shall learn about interpreting the balanced chemical equation. Yes, interpreting balanced chemical equation is nothing but first you have to balance the given chemical equation. After balancing, we can interpret, means we can compare reactants and products in the form of mass-mass relationship, mass-volume relationship, volume-volume relationship, mass-volume and number of molecules relationship. These we can compare mass, volume, number of molecules. Mass relationship means mass and mass is nothing but number of reactants of mass presence, number of mass of the reactants and number of mass present in the product side. Same mass volume relationship, volume relationship. These volume relationships will be getting when it involves gas. Okay, and next mass, volume and number of molecules relationship. Now let us learn this concept by taking a small example. Yes, what is that example? When aluminium reacting with iron oxide, it gives aluminium oxide and iron. First, this is a chemical equation he has given, and in that chemical equation he has given the atomic masses of elements which are involved in this chemical equation. First, we have to check whether this chemical equation is balanced or not. It is very clear that the chemical equation is not balanced. Now, let us balance the chemical equation. Yes, by writing 2 over here, aluminium 2 and writing 2 over here. Now is this a balanced chemical equation? Yes. After balancing the chemical equation, now let us read question what he is asking. Suppose that you are asked to calculate the amount of aluminium required to get 120 kg of iron by the above reaction. Yes, what he is asking, how much amount of aluminium is required? Yes, so how much amount of aluminium? It is very clear that aluminium is present in the reactant side. How much amount of aluminium is required to get, yes, to get 120 kg of iron, 1120 kg of iron. Iron is present in the product side. So, in the question, it is very clear that he is asking, he is comparing aluminium with iron. Yes. Now, substitute the values. Yes. See here, how we have to substitute 2 into aluminium. 2 into, what is the atomic mass of aluminium? 27 plus iron oxide. Iron is of 2 types. 2 times 2 into 56 plus oxygen 3 times 3 into 16 gives 2 into 27 plus 3 into 16 plus 2 into 56. Yes. So here we have substituted the atomic mass units. Now as per the question, yes, as per the balanced equation, now just to see, this is aluminium, this is iron. Yes. Now as per the equation, as per the balanced equation, when I take 54 grams of aluminium, I am getting how many grams of iron? 112 grams of iron I am getting. Yes, when I take 54 grams of aluminium, I am getting 112 grams of iron. Yes, as per the equation. Just you have to compare. Now these are the terms I have substituted in the equation. So I am getting this equation. Okay. So now just to see here, I am taking 54 grams of aluminium, 160 grams of iron oxide. I am getting 102 grams of aluminium oxide, 112 grams of iron as per the equation. Now he is comparing aluminium with iron. Aluminium, he is comparing aluminium with iron. Now I am taking 54 grams of aluminium and getting 112 grams of iron. Now what is the question he is asking? How much amount of aluminium required? Yes, how much amount of aluminium required in order to get 1120 kg of iron? 1120 kg. Now these all terms are present in grams. So this kg also I am converting in grams. We all know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay. So 1120 into 1000 grams. Just to do cross multiplication. What will be your solution? X grams is equal to 120 into 1000 into 54. See here, when I cross multiply 54 into 1120 into 1000 is equal to 112 grams into X. Okay,
we need to find x, no? So that 102 grams will come in the denominator. Yes, 112 ones are 10s are. 54 into 10, 540. 1000, I can simply write it as kg. So how many kgs are required? I required 540 kg of aluminium is required in order to get 1120 kg of iron. Okay, I hope you all have understood this topic. If you have any doubts, just put in a comments. I will clear your doubts. Thank you.